Time now for Jeff's Car Culture. 6 dream cars owners regret buying.
There you go. So, dream cars. We've all fallen for that dream car at some point. The glossy ad, the jaw-dropping design, promises of speed and status. But sometimes, once you've been handed the keys, reality hits hard. Breakdowns, repairs, endless bills turn these beauties into burdens. So here we go. First one is a Mercedes-Benz CLS Shooting Brake.
Oh, God, that's ugly.
It seemed cool and adventurous, but if you own one, you quickly realize that it really meant endless repairs and repair bills. Air suspension failures, expensive parts, tech that didn't work more than it did.
Bad roof
all
line.
Combined in the wagon as a money pit. But you know what? I'd drive that. I would drive that.
How far is the question?
Well, at least to the mechanical shop. There you go. And the next one we have is a Fisker Karma. Who hadn't heard of one of them? It's an eco-friendly vehicle. Promises kept? No, not really. People who bought it thought they were helping the earth.
The smile of the Joker on the front
There
end.
you go. The car had battery failures, electrical issues, recalls upon recalls. I thought it was a Ford at first. Turns out owners weren't just saving the earth, but they also saved mechanics' businesses. So people got rich off of that car, and it wasn't the owner. The next one we have, Michael, is an Alfa Romeo 4C. It's a lightweight, exotic looks, Italian passion. What could go wrong? Well, you see it's in the shop already. A lot. Owners first discovered the brutal ride, cheap-feeling interior, never-ending reliability quirks. It was like dating a gorgeous supermodel who shows up late, complains constantly, and eats all your money. So there you go.
And eats onion rings.
There you go. Onion rings, okay. Next one, Mike, is a Tesla Roadster. It's the first generation, not the second. This was Tesla's first attempt at revolutionizing cars. While it broke ground, it also broke down. Based on a Lotus Elise, it had charging issues, poor build quality, and repairs that took months to get it running.
It's not a bad look. I've never seen one before.
It's the first gen.
I did not know that.
I haven't seen one on the road either, but that is a good-looking car.
There's a reason for that.
Well, you put an LS in it. That's what you need.
There you go.
Okay, Michael. The BMW i8. The i8 looked like a spaceship and promised hybrid supercar thrills, but it wasn't that fast. It wasn't that efficient either.
Was it unpainted on the nose?
No, it's just
shadows.
reflection.
Oh,
just
okay.
reflection. It wasn't efficient. It wasn't even practical. Owners loved showing it off until the repair costs came in, and it was worth more than their mortgage in some cases.
Was that a BMW?
Yeah, BMW i8.
You know
Turns
what BMW stands for, don't you?
well, it's a British Motor Works.
Break my wallet is what
Okay.
it stands for.
Turns out that the i8 was more flash than substance, but it's a good-looking car. It really is. Mike, and the last one we got here is a Lotus Esprit. Made famous by James Bond, this car was cool, but owners quickly discovered the British electronics were questionable, build quality was poor, and repair costs worthy of a secret agent's budget. It looked pretty cool, but having one meant becoming very close with friends of your mechanic. So there you go. Pretty much. And then we got a bonus shot, I believe.
Here's
Look
a
at
bonus
that.
shot.
That car is gorgeous. Look at that,
my
David.
God.
Shoo.
And Jeff spent all day finding that location so he could take a picture of his car.
You
Absolutely.
betcha. That's out in front of your new place.
Yeah. That's the county jail out in
boy.
Fort Bend
Well, there
County.
you go. Well, there you go.
My new place.
Perfect.
Hey, I did want to.